Here is a quick video on how to manage and access the Studio knowledge base or your AI's knowledge base. So when you're in your Adminify account, if you navigate on the left-hand sidebar menu down to the bottom, there should be a button. If you scroll down that says Go Studio, when you click Go Studio, it should pull up your the Studio dashboard. What you'll do is you'll navigate to the Knowledge Base tab, kind of towards the top left. Once you get to the Knowledge Base, it should pull up all of your values that your assistant is referencing when having conversations with customers. So you have the name of the assistant, looking instructions, business hours, all of these information that the AI is pulling them information from. Normally when people need to make updates to their assistant, they're typically pretty easy updates to where they're normally like different zip codes that it's not referencing, or saying services are declined to that they're not in there, pricing information, or services that's being turned down that you guys offer. So inside of these values, you can click on them, edit or update the information that's in there. If it's being pulled over from, an organization, or you want to just be more tailored, you can put in more information there. Change the zip codes. When you do make an edit to those, it'll say save all changes. You'll want to click save all changes, so that way you don't leave here and it doesn't save the information. And then also it'll prompt you to save all of them if you make multiple changes at once. If you want to change information that's in one of these values, you can click on the value and then click the magic edit button, and the tab will come up and how to improve it. If you want to keep what's in here, you need to say keep current information, and then add in whatever you'd like to add in, and then hit generate, and it'll pull up a new window or a new suggestion. If you like it, you can apply the suggestion to the field and it'll automatically do that and prompt you to save the information. But that's pretty much how to access the knowledge base, how to make any changes. Last thing is the support portal. This is where you can also come in here and send support tickets to the team by changing different things. Maybe something's not responding correctly or any of that information. The support team will get back to you, and then you guys can have a conversation through there until those things are resolved. So hope you find this pretty helpful. Should be pretty easy. And yeah, that's how you access knowledge base.